Hello everybody, I hope you're having a great day. In this video we're going to be doing another trade recap. Today I took these YM sells and let's get right into it. So coming into the day we have SMT with these highs here on YM, C, and Q had taken them. We also had SMT here with these previous day highs, and Q had taken them as well. So that is our first stage of SMT, right? SMT right here with these highs. We drop down to the hourly. Same thing, you see, let me use my replay tool here now. So, you see that we have SMT here with these previous day highs. But what happens here on the 30-minute when a driver opens up? Well, we usually see a strength switch with this driver, right? And we actually get one right here on YM. We actually get YM raids this previous 30-minute candle's high. And then bam, right here is your second stage Kraken correlation. With all this information gathered, now how do I identify which asset is the strongest or the weakest? Now, which asset is forming reversal signatures first? Well, it's either ES or YM. Now, how do I know if I want to trade ES or YM if they're both forming reversal signatures around the same time? Well, for me, I chose YM because it was closer proximity towards the draw on liquidity. So I actually took my first sell position here on YM and had my stop at this high, targeting these lows, right? As you see, ES actually met the draw first, and so did NQ, which is fine. There was no way for me to predict that, but you see YM still takes the draw. These are synchronized markets. As you see, they deliver way better than when the markets are decoupled. So you want to wait to trade this phase of price when it is all synchronized. And again, the logic for my shorts was simply just previous day high SMT, this 30-minute two stage right here, right at that driver. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys all cooked this trade, and I'll catch you later. Peace.